Dear student, the topic we are going to discuss here is the area of triangle. In class 10th of CBSE, in coordinate geometry chapter, we are having this topic, area of triangle. So here, what we'll have to do, there will be a triangle ABC. The vertices of that particular triangle will be known, and we will have to find the area of that particular triangle. So let us see here how we'll find it. Here this is triangle ABC, and the vertices of this triangle is A has coordinate x1 y1, B x2 y2, and C x3 y3. Now our interest is to find the area of this triangle. So the question is, how will you do it? So see here, first we will find the area A, B, C, E, D. This whole area will be calculated, and from this area we will subtract area ACFD. ACFD. So when this area will be subtracted from this area, we will get the area of the triangle. So the same we will do here. Now this whole area contains two trapezium. One trapezium is A, B, E, D, and second trapezium is B, C, F, E. So the whole area will be area of trapezium A, B, E, D plus area of trapezium A, B, E, D plus area of trapezium B, C, F, E. And adding these two trapezium, we will get this area, and from this area we will subtract the area of trapezium ACFD. So here we are written area triangle ABC is equals to area trapezium ABED. Area trapezium ABED plus area trapezium BCFE. Area trapezium BCFE. So it means this whole area minus area trapezium ACFD. ACFD. Now let us find out area trapezium ABED. ABED. So we are going to find ABED, area trapezium, this. The formula for the area of trapezium is half sum of parallel side into distance between the two parallel sides. So sum of parallel side means AD plus BE, and distance between these two parallel sides is DE. So here I am written area trapezium ABED is equals to half sum of parallel side into distance between them, that is half BE plus AD into DE. Now let us find out BE and AD. So BE, the coordinate of this point is x2 y2, means this distance will be x2 and this distance will be y2. So it is clear that the distance BE will be y2, and similarly the coordinate of point A is x1 y1, so the distance AD will be y1. So BE is y2, AD is y1. So BE is y2, and AD is y1. Next DE. this distance. So since this distance is x2, this distance is x1, so this will be x2 minus x1. So it is written here, DE is x2 minus x1. This. Next, let us find out the area BCFE. BCFE. So again the formula will be the same. Half sum of parallel side multiplied by distance between the two parallel sides. So this coordinate is x3 y3. So it means it will be x3 and this is y3. So CF is y3 and BE is y2. So sum of parallel side will be y3 plus y2. Now the distance between these two parallel side will be, see here, this is x3 and this is x2. So the distance is x3 minus x2. So this area will be half, sum of parallel side means y3 plus y2 into distance between the two is x3 minus x2. So it is written here, area of BCF is equals to half sum of parallel side, that is BE plus CF into the distance between them is EF, that is half BE plus CF is y3 plus y2 into EF is x3 minus x2. This. Now let us find out area ACEFD, because we have calculated area ABED, area BCEF. Now we will find out area trapezium ACFD. So area trapezium ACFD, again the same formula, sum of parallel side into distance between the two divided by 2. It means half sum of parallel side into distance between the two parallel sides. Now what is this? This is y3. This is y1. This distance is x3. This is x1. So the distance between the two parallel side will be x3 minus x1. So the formula for this trapezium will be 1 by 2. See here, 1 by 2 y3 plus y1, y3 plus y1 into x3 minus x1, means this one. This is x3, this is x1, so it is x3 minus x1. So it is written here. Now the area of triangle. Now the area of triangle is this whole area minus this trapezium, area of this trapezium. So this whole area contains two trapezium, one is ABED, so area of trapezium ABED plus area of trapezium BCFE, and from this the area of trapezium ACFD will be subtracted. Now it is written here, this is first trapezium, area ABDE, this trapezium is 1 by 2 y2 plus y1 into x2 minus x1. Area trapezium BCFE is half y3 plus y2 into x3 minus x2, and area trapezium ACFD is half minus, we have subtracted this, so minus half y3 plus y1 into x3 minus x1. Now let us rearrange these terms. So how will we solve it? We will take half as common. Half is taken as common. Now we will multiply y2 with this whole, y1 with this x2 minus x1, y3 will be multiplied with x3 minus x2, y2 will be multiplied with x3 minus x2, y3 is multiplied with x3 minus x1, and y1 will be multiplied with x3 minus x1. So we will expand this expression in this way. Now what we'll have to do, we will take the coefficients of y1, y2 and y3 separately. So let us find out the coefficient of y1. The coefficient of y1 will be here x2 minus x1. y1 is, we are finding y1 here. So the coefficient of y1 here will be y1 will be multiplied with x2 minus x1. So coefficient of y1 here will be x2 minus x1. Again, the coefficient of y1 here is minus into x3 minus x1. Minus x3 minus x1 means minus x3 plus x1. So the coefficient of y1 here, the coefficient of y1 here is x1 minus x3. Why x1 minus x3? Because minus is outside, so it will be plus x1 minus x3. So y1 is taken as taken outside, the coefficient are written in bracket. So x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 plus here x1 minus x3. Now let us find out the coefficient of y2. The y2 is found here and here. The coefficient of here y2 is x2 minus x1 and here it is x3 minus x2. So when y2 will be taken as common, you will get x2 minus x1 this one and x3 minus x2. Again try to find out the coefficient of y3. y3 is found here, so its coefficient will be x3 minus x2 and here, so its coefficient will be minus x3 minus x1. Minus x3 minus x1 means plus x1 minus x3. So it is y3 x3 minus x2, x3 minus x2 plus x1 minus x3. So you will find the coefficient of y1, y2 and y3. Now see here x1 and x1 will be cancelled, so the coefficient of y1 is x2 minus x3. So y1 x2 minus x3. y2 here x2 will be cancelled, so x3 minus x1, and here x3 will be cancelled, it is x1 minus x2. So half is already taken as common. So the area of triangle ABC is this half y1 x2 minus x3, then y2 x3 minus x1 plus y3 x1 minus x2. So